It's Mona, it's Charles, and they're buying shit at Wegmans.
Alright, we're good. Hey guys, welcome to the 5th. So, we already did that episode. Oh. Alright. Welcome to the, oh god, I think it's the 6th episode of Shit We Buy at Wegmans. And today we have two different, that might be a little too soon.
That'll be fine.
You think so?
Yeah, it'll be good.
Alright, so, today, I can't take you seriously with that. Today we have pork rinds, and who doesn't love pork rinds? And so these are brand 4505. Never heard of them before today. Nope. But what really caught our eyes about the pork rinds is that this is a jalapeno cheddar flavor.
And the classic one is chili and salt.
Right. So this is what we're going to try today.
Okay. Ooh, they smell good.
Ooh. All
right, which one do you want to try first? Try the classic.
All right, we'll try it. So, all right.
Or, yeah. It's a huge
That
piece.
is a big pork rind.
It's not bad. It doesn't really have a chili and salt flavor at all. So these are humanely raised without added antibiotics or added hormones. And paleo certified. I've never seen actually something
Paleo certified. They're good. They're good.
Yeah.
They're definitely salty.
Right.
I don't get a lot of the chili flavor, but they're salty.
Yep.
So all right. So the next flavor is jalapeno cheddar. Again, a big pork rinds.
All right. Different texture. At least mine is.
These are definitely crunchier.
I still don't get that. I don't get any flavor.
They sort of taste like
pork rinds.
They don't taste like pork rinds.
No?
Mine tastes like a piece of. Once again, we have a styrofoam thing for me.
Yeah, these are different.
There's definitely no cheddar taste.
There's a little pepper, but not very much.
I don't think how much sodium. These don't taste a lot like anything. These have
120
grams of sodium.
milligrams.
Milligram. This has 150 milligrams of sodium, but I can't taste the salt at all.
No, these taste saltier.
So I think actually, and I'm gonna make this recommendation: convenience store pork rinds
Are better.
Are better.
Definitely better.
So I don't know what the price of these are, but definitely not worth it.
$3, I think, or for the $4.
Oh God! So we just wasted $3 or $4 on pork rinds that don't really taste like pork rinds.
Yep.
So the brand Go Pig or Go Home.
No.
Nah. Buy them at 7-Eleven.
Yep, I agree.
All right.
All right.
Thanks. See you guys.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, and good night from Mona and Charles.